Number 1.
1990 Ford F250, price $4,000, with only 88,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a powerful 460 big block V8 engine, and runs on gasoline. The truck is rear-wheel drive and equipped with 8 lug wheels both front and rear, along with a full floating rear end and an aftermarket aluminum differential cover. Originally from Southern California, this F250 received a spray-in bedliner during its time there and has since spent a few years in Michigan. Despite that, it remains basically rust-free, a rare quality for a truck of this age. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy, while the interior features a matching red color scheme. Inside, the truck is in good condition overall. The headliner is clean and intact, although there is a crack in the windshield, a broken glovebox latch, and a tear in the driver's seat.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F150, price $10,000, with 251,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a silver exterior with a red interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, it's been extensively upgraded for reliability and comfort. It rides on BFG all-terrain tires, with new rough country leveling springs, adjustable ball joints, extended pitman and idler arms, drag link, tie rod ends, and skyjacker shocks. The driver's side head has been rebuilt, the passenger side has strong compression, and both use new Felpro head gaskets. It also features a new radiator, water pump, alternator, power steering line, oil pan gasket, spark plugs, Ford performance wires, and MSD coil. Braking is strong with new power stop front brakes and rotors. Both fuel tanks work with new pumps, and a new driveshaft carrier bearing is installed. Inside, it's comfortable with cold AC, a Kenwood stereo, fresh window tint, and a Craftsman toolbox in the bed.
Number 3.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,995, two-owner vehicle with only 163,000 original miles. It features a 5.7-liter Vortec V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in silver, matching the clean and well-kept silver interior. The interior remains in great condition and is equipped with power windows and a power seat for added comfort. The air conditioning system was recently recharged, ensuring a cool and comfortable ride. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, a smog check completed over the weekend, and the tires being rotated and balanced. This truck also comes with a 6-foot, 6-inch bedline with a durable SR pedaliner, making it ready for hauling or daily use. A tow bar is included, and all maintenance records, manuals, service receipts, and the clear pink slip are available. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F150, price $6,000, with its rugged 4x4 drivetrain and durable manual transmission. It's built tough for both job site duties and weekend projects. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a clean gray interior, this truck carries the unmistakable look of the classic old body-style Ford trucks that enthusiasts love. Under the hood, it's powered by the legendary 300 inline-6 gasoline engine, renowned for its reliability and torque. Despite having 200,000 miles on the odometer, this truck still has plenty of life left and continues to run strong. It comes with a clean Kansas title in hand, making it ready for its next chapter.
Number 5.
1987 Ford F150, price $10,000, finished in red with a clean tan interior. Powered by the reliable 300i6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it has 189,000 miles and still runs strong, starting every time without issue. The AC blows cold, and the tires are in great shape with 90% tread left. It features a 4-inch rough country lift and comes with all original suspension brackets.
All smog equipment remains intact, with no exhaust modifications.
The clutch and slave cylinder were replaced at 180,000 miles, and oil changes have been done every 2,500 to 3,000 miles. Paint and interior are in excellent condition, making this a dependable and clean example of a vintage Ford truck.
Number 6.
1961 Chevrolet C10, price $7,700, finished in a bold blue exterior. The truck sits on a later model square body frame for improved handling and stance. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 454 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering strong performance and smooth operation. Although it hasn't been driven on the road in several years, the engine runs and drives well.
The only issue currently is a brake line that needs replacement, which the owner plans to fix within the week.
While it's not a show-quality vehicle, it makes for a great driver and a solid foundation for someone looking to enjoy a classic truck with muscle and character.
Number 7. 1985 Ford F350, price $7,500, solid and dependable truck that runs and drives great. Powered by the legendary 6.9L IDI diesel engine, it delivers strong performance and is built for heavy-duty work. The truck features an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it ideal for towing or hauling. With 209,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly seen regular use but remains mechanically sound. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this crew cab offers plenty of space for passengers and gear. While the truck is in good running condition, it does need some love and cosmetic attention to bring it back to its full potential. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or a solid foundation for a restoration project, this F350 has a lot to offer. Number 8.
1996 Ford F250, price $8,000, strong and reliable pickup with 165,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a fuel-injected 460 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance whether for daily driving or heavy-duty tasks. The truck features an extended cab and comes in a classic white exterior. While the interior is clean and functional, several important maintenance items have recently been addressed. Around 5,000 miles ago, the water pump was replaced, the intake manifold was resealed, and new serpentine belts were installed. Less than 1,000 miles ago, it also received a new fan clutch and a brand new AC compressor, resulting in air conditioning that works exceptionally well.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. It features a powerful 350 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Over the past 6 months, the truck has received a number of important new parts and maintenance upgrades, including a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and sending unit, as well as a fresh fuel filter to ensure optimal performance. The ignition system has been updated with a new distributor, cap, spark plugs, plug wires, and coil. For improved visibility and reliability, the wiper motor and washer fluid pump have been replaced. On the cooling side, the truck now has new upper and lower radiator hoses and a new coolant overflow tank. The braking system has been refreshed with new front brake pads. To complete the upgrades, a cherry bomb muffler and tailpipe elbow were installed, giving the truck a classic, aggressive sound.
Number 10.
1983 Ford F150, price $4,000. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and cohesive vintage look. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 351 Windsor V8 engine with dual exhaust, it delivers both performance and the unmistakable rumble of an old-school pickup. The truck runs great, thanks in part to a newly installed carburetor. Despite its age, the body shows almost no rust, making it a rare find in such well-preserved condition. While the ignition will eventually need replacement, the truck still starts up just fine and drives without issue. Being a two-wheel drive model, it's ideal for those looking for a dependable classic for cruising or light work.